So guys, I am here, right? And I am trying to open this tortilla chips, right? And I am literally struggling to open this tortilla. I'm literally putting my force into this while doing this video. And I'm here, and I'm there, and I'm just pulling and tugging. And, well, I was trying to open it before I do this video. When I figure out how to open it, I say, nah, I had to do a video. So, while struggling and tugging to open it, my mind says, sis, girl, you need to take a good look at the package to try to figure out if there is a way to open this chip. So I'm here inspecting the package and whatever, only to find out there is this little something right here, that you just, and your chip is open. I am today years old when I found that out. You live on your lawn. Yeah, it's open now. So now it's time for me to dig in. I'm going to share with my son. So now it's time for me to literally dig in and start eating my chips.